Hello everyone, I am Priya Gulati. Welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. If you like my today's video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to take chapter Coordinate Geometry, exercise 7.1, question number 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points p 2, minus 3 and q 10, y is 10 units. Now let us draw the figure of this question. There are 2 points given to you in the question. Point P coordinates are 2, minus 3. Point Q coordinates are 10, y. Let us join these 2 points, and in the question it is given that this distance PQ is 10 units, right? So let us 2, minus 3 ko let us label it as x1, y1, and 10, y let us label it as x2, y2. So in the question, distance PQ is given as equals to 10. So I write down ATQ according to question, PQ equals to 10. Now I will make use of distance formula. Distance formula, I think you must be already familiar with it. I am using this formula. This is your distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in this case, square root, what is your x2 minus x1 whole square? It will be 10 minus 2 whole square. So I write down this way. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be y minus 3 whole square. So y minus 3 whole square, and this is equals to 10. So after making use of distance formula, I will get this expression. Now what do you say in this? The left side is inside the square root sign. So if I want to remove this square root sign, what I will do? I will do the squaring of both sides. So I write down squaring both sides. When you square the side with the square root sign, the square root sign will get removed. So you will be left with 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equals to, अब इसका स्क्वायर कर दोगे तो 10 into 10 will give you 100, right? Now this gives you next step में 8 square plus use the formula a plus b whole square to open the bracket. You will get it y square plus 9 plus 6y equals to 100. Next step में y square 6y 8 square will give you 64 plus 9. Bring this 100 to the left side, so minus 100 equals to 0. Next step, y square plus 6y. Add these two and subtract minus 100. You will get 73 minus 100 equals to 0. So this will become like this, y square plus 6y, subtract them, minus 27 equals to 0. Now what do you see? This is a quadratic equation of degree 2. You can do the middle term splitting to solve this equation. We have to solve this equation because in the question it is asked to find the values of y. Values of y means simply you have to do the solution of this equation. This I will apply the middle term splitting on the left side. This middle term splitting you are already familiar with. What I will do? I will have to think about two numbers whose product should be minus 27 into 1, means C into A. So into stands for the product of the two numbers should be minus 27, and the sum, this stands for the sum of two numbers should be coefficient of y, which is 6. So I write down 6. So the product should be minus 27 and the sum of those two numbers should be 6. So if you think a little bit, you will come to know that those two numbers are 9 and minus 3. If you multiply 9 into minus 3, it will give you minus 27. If you add 9 plus minus 3 will give you 6. So these are your two numbers. With the help of these two numbers, I will do the middle term splitting of 6y. So how will I get my next step? This is y square. 6y ko I will now write down as 9y minus 3y. So I write it 9y minus 3y, and this minus 27 equals to 0. Next step may take the first two terms. Whatever common, y is common. What remains inside the bracket? Y from here and 9 from here. So close the bracket. Next two term, put this minus here. What is common in these two terms? 3. So I take out 3 common. So what remains from here? Y. What remains from here? 9. I have to put plus sign because negative into positive will give you back negative number. So this is how this equals to 0. Now look at this term minus this second term. So what is common in these two terms? Y plus 9 is common. So I take out y plus 9 common. So what remains from this first term? Y minus minus. What remains from this term? 3. So second bracket will be y minus 3 equals to 0. Now this is the product of two numbers, y plus 9 into, this is into in between, y minus 3 equals to 0. The product of two numbers are 0 if either the first number is 0, y plus 9 is 0, or the second one number is 0, y minus 9 equals to 0. So next step you will get y equals to minus 9. From this equation you will get y equals to 3. So you have two answers for y, minus 9 comma 3. I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.